Okay, good morning everyone. My name is Ashikin and I'm here with my teammate Muhammad Ehsan and Salwa. Today we will be presenting on case study classification and filing system for company Ericsson. Okay, move to next slide. Okay, this is the introduction. So first we need to know the foundation, the importance of foundation of classification system, which is classification and filing system is essential for manage data and document effectively, which is they can improve the availability, efficiency and accuracy in retrieval process. The core function of classification system is sort by information into predefined orders or class based on shared characteristic. Example is like chronological order or alphabetical sequence, which is it can enable rapid retrieval of specific detail, and it streamline workflow and enhance the productivity. The practical framework of filing system, which is it will include organization strategy like alphabetical, numerical, geographical and subject-based format, which is it will provide the structure for storing and manage the classified information. Its design must cater to organization-specific needs such as data volume, access frequency, and confidentiality. The benefit and objective of the classification is ensure the compliance with legal and administrative standards, safeguard against data loss and facilitate informed by decision making, and reduce redundancy and enhance the overall operational effectiveness. Okay. Here we explain about the administrative history of the Ericsson, also known as the Telefonaktiebolaget LM Ericsson, and it was founded by Lars Magnus Ericsson in Stockholm, Sweden in 1876. The company initially focused on the repair and production of telegraph equipment. 1880, Ericsson had begun to manufacture its own telephone equipment, established itself as a dominant force in the burgeoning telecommunication market. After a few years, Ericsson expanded its product and market reach by establishing factory and office in Europe and other continents. The company has played a key role in development of automatic switching and mobile communication system after World War II. In the 1950s and 60s, Ericsson has expanded its international operation and entered new markets in Asia, Africa, and America. The 1980s marked the beginning of Ericsson leadership in the mobile telephony industry and its launch of the world's first mobile network in 1981. Next slide. Okay, the mission and vision of the Ericsson is to open the standard that enable our industry to provide innovation environment, to shape and improve new solution, to driving global partnership that scale the impact of technology for positive changes. The vision of Ericsson is a world where limitless connectivity improve lives, redefine business and pioneer as a sustainable future. Next. So this is the organization chart. The company employ around 100,000 people and operate in more than 180 countries. And the Ericsson has over 57,000 granted patents. So this is the function and activity that happen in the Ericsson. The first is administration. The activity for the administration is the efficient filing system is essential for manage the daily volume of document and record effectively. To ensure the documents such as correspondence, meeting notes and policy record are well organized and readily accessible, facilitate efficient administrative tasks and promote smooth communication between departments. Additionally, it well structured filing system have organized either to legal and regulatory requirement, minimize the risk of legal issue. The second is activity for the human resource, which is it manage to employee record, recruitment document, performance evaluation and training materials effectively. It will organized by HR. which is enable the company to address employee issue promptly, monitor the attendance, process the payroll, and administer benefit efficiently. Maintaining a precise and easily accessible filing system is to ensure the security of confidential employee data, restricting access to authorized personnel only. This safeguarding of employee privacy fosters trust with the organization. It will help HR department to respond swiftly to employee inquiry and compliant audit. The third activity that happen in Ericsson is finance department, which is to facilitate the creation of financial report, support audit process, and aids in budget planning by providing swift access to necessary document. Implements such as organized system enhance the efficiency of financial operation and promote transparency and accountability in financial management. This approach also help maintaining compliance with legal regulatory requirements, ensuring that the company financial practices are both reliable and secure. Okay, next. So, who is the responsible in managing files? Each department within organizations such as administration, human resource, finance, and customer deployment manage its individual record through dedicated administrative team. These teams are responsible for financial, orderly, and accurate filing system, tailored to the specific operational needs of their respective department. The type of classification system, which is first is alphanumeric, a combination of letter and numbers is utilized to categorize document. For instance, a document could be marked with a code containing a letter representing its category and distinct number within specific category. The second one is functional, which is files are sorted based on the specific department, purposely for the organization that created or is accountable for them. This categorization aids in simplifying entry and responsible within particular operation zones. Type of coding system. It will arrange the document based on their importance and intended use within the department. Sort document by content type such as letter, official paper, meeting notes, and procedural guideline. Group similar document together based on subject to facilitate quick retrieval. Establish specific naming rule for consistency and clarity. Organize file format uniformly to simplify document browsing and access. The last one, enhance the workflow management, communication, and adherence to policy and procedure through efficient document classification in the administrative team. How to differentiate the housekeeping and financial file? So the first is housekeeping. Housekeeping is essential for the overall management and upkeep of the office environment and its function. It instead consists of timetable for cleaning, record of instead consists of timetable for cleaning, record for upkeep, list and supply, and regulation for the workplace. Housekeeping generally aid in the daily operational tasks that help maintain the efficiency of the physical workspace and office management as a whole. The second one is financial file. So the financial file are connected to the primary business operation and specialized role of different departments in the organization. Some instance are project plan, financial record, marketing strategy, client contract, and employee performance review. Functional record closely connected to the main activity and strategic objective of the company, aiding in task choice and procedure vital to the company purpose and goals.
Alright, hi everyone. So today we will show you how the coding system been set up on Ericsson. First, on the Office Administrative Filing System, the purpose of this filing system is to manage the paperwork related to daily office operation and management. The document type will be some letters, meeting notes, office policies, and instruction manuals. Categorization It would be the general correspondence, meeting minutes, office policies, and also the benefit for this filing system will be it will ensure the quick access for the admin staff to the necessary documents. For finance filing system, the purpose of this filing system will be it will organize the documents related to the financial management and also the transaction. The document type will be some of the invoice, receipts, tax records, and also the financial statements. The categorization will be accounts payable and receivable, tax documents, and financial statements. The sorting method will be it will be by date and financially classifications. The benefit of this filing system is it will ensure the accuracy and compliance with the accounting standards. It will be easy access for the audits and financial review. For the human resource filing system, the purpose of the filing system will be it will manage the documents related to the employee management and also the HR tasks. The document types. HR will store these employee files, recruitment documents, performance reviews, training materials, and also the benefits of the information. The categorization will be employee records by name, the recruitment, performance reviews, and also the training and development. The sorting method for the HR filing system is it will sort by the employee name, department, and also HR categories, which is the employee ID. The benefit of the filing system will be it will ensure the confidentially compliance with the labor law and also efficient management of the HR processes and the employee inquiries. We will show you sample of the filing system of the Ericsson. First, the dedicated document handler. Each department has a dedicated person which responsible for the handling documents. For example, travel and expenses claim. It will handle by the administrator, and the process will be the user will have a detailed travel information, dates, destination, travel purpose, and also all the expenses. The second step will be input into a specified online system to simplify the process. Okay, what happened for the hard copy or the physical copy? The physical copy will be the user need to print the detailed information and enter it online, gather all the related receipts and supporting documents, and submit those with the printed document for filing. The purpose of this is it will the printed copy act as a tangible record, confirms and supports the electronic inputs, which is we need to key in the system, ensure and also it will ensure the accuracy and accountability. The next one. Okay, this is the last step, sorting and filing. It will be categorized by travel and expenses claims. The sorting method is it will be by staff member's name and also by date. The benefit of this sorting is it it will simplify the access for the audits, reimbursement, and future reference. Next slide. Did the organization refer to a manual provided by the National Archive of Malaysia? At the moment, Ericsson is not following the manual provided by the National Archive. It is because this is a multinational company and they are still using the labels to identify which documents belongs to their department. Next one is a storage. Ericsson also has allocated specific filing room on every floor of the building to improve the document organization and availability. These rooms on that floor have modern filing cabinets, shelving units, and secure storage systems designed for the unique requirements of each department. By consolidating file storage in these designated areas, we guarantee that files can be easily reached by the authorized staff. This will be improve the workflow effectiveness and cutting down on time wasted looking for document. Next one. Arrangement of the file and it will identify and retrieval. I will hand over to the Miss Salwa.
Okay, thank you, Ihsan, for your explanation. Now we move to the arrangement of file, identify, and retrieval. In Ericsson, they have appointed one person to in charge for the retrieval of the document, which user need to fill up the form and send back to the appointed person to request their document. Based on this detail, the appointed person will try to retrieve again in their storage room. And next is the equipment that are used for storage file, which is they have the filing cabinet in the storage room, binders and binder clip, and also a sample of record, which is a travel and expand. Next is the name list, which sample from previous travel and expense claim. They will key in this form. Employee will key in their name here, date they are submit, and number of receipt they attach, and also the request ID based on remark in previous travel and expense claim at the barcode side. So for the compilation, the PIC will consolidate all the document in this box for filing purpose. And for the room, they are using a fireproof door. Next, we move to the recommendation of new file classification hierarchy, which is a files hierarchical technique by Malaysia National Archive. FAST is the categorization technique established by the National Archive for filing system, Malaysia Repository. Basically, it represents function, activity, sub-activity, and financial activity. There are 5 codes which start with 100, 200, 300, 400, and 500. This for housekeeping or administrative file. And based on our finding, this code is not being practiced in these private companies. And to conclude all this activity, we found that filing system is essential for efficient information retrieval, regulatory compliance, and safeguarding confidential data. By categorizing document effectively and incorporating clear policies and training, organization can enhance operation productivity and maintain stakeholder trust. By enhancing technology in document management, further ensure the system editability and reliability in a fast-paced business environment. So that's all from our team. Thank you very much.
Thank you, everyone.
Thank you.